Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih urakam esang mau la pentem ba ka Sorkar kalashim ya karai ban Wanrah ek step marking system ha ka Meglaya Board of School Education. Habakali urakam la ong ba ka rukom pelong examen ka CBSE lani ka ICSE kila pentre kam ka grading and marking system ha ka rukom ken marks ha ka exam.
CBSE pattern, ICSE pattern. Because they adopt the grading and the step marking system in the evaluation process of the examination. We are also planning to introduce step marking system in the Meghalaya Board of School Education, and we will examine on this. And yes, so we want to have out, because practically now what is happening is a question is set for mathematics question of 5 marks. There's a process, there's a system how to put in the formula, how to calculate the algebra, how to calculate the numerical. All system is there. After completing all the system and the process, finally the result came out.